How to add weather widget to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top left of the screen to open the notification center. From here, press and hold anywhere on the screen to enter the wallpaper customization mode. You will now be able to see all of your saved wallpaper collections in a carousel view. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Customize button. On this page, tap on the lock screen preview to begin editing. Tap on the widget area directly below the time to add a new widget. Scroll down the list of apps and tap on weather to see the available options. You can swipe through the options to find the one you want. After placing the widget, tap on Done in the top right corner to close the selection panel. Your lock screen will now display the live weather information you selected. Following these steps, you can easily add a weather widget on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.